That's gonna be my intro, by the way. That's my intro.
No, no, that's
What's up,
bad.
guys? We're back with another banger. Oh god, it's been it hasn't been a while. I just posted a video, like I think like 20 minutes ago. But anyways, this is my This is sadly
Fred,
I had to record with this
I mean,
person.
I mean, you could have just said no. You could have just like waited till tomorrow to record for a different person, like with a
I will
different
be
person.
flying out tomorrow,
Oh,
so I can't really record of it. Actually, I could just record myself going to the airport. I'm not doing that. I'm bored. I'll get bored very easily.
you're going to the airport? Where are you going? Japan?
I've actually been there.
Oh, I'm going. I'm going there this year.
Nice. I know I'm going back to the U.S.
Oh, oh. Right, Donald Trump doesn't want you there. Like, want you there? Like Donald Trump wants you
We're
there?
moving out, bro. We're just moving.
Oh, oh, oh.
But anyways, you guys, we're just gonna probably play some monkey blocks, and we're gonna play some tag.
That's gonna
We
be.
she might be inviting a friend that is gay. So yeah.
Okay.
Also,
His voice crack.
this girl is single. She is single. She is I no that I'm. Someone take her, please, cause I don't want her.
Oh.
Dang it, keeps spawning.
Could have just said you don't know. Could have just said you didn't want to be my friend.
What
the hell is this?
That's my blocks. Don't.
I'm sorry.
Actually, we need to join a different server, so hold on.
Well, no. What's wrong with this server?
Because this
don't
isn't
like-
the code that I want to use. Tell your gay friend to join. Ugh, my god.
Oh, my gay friend to join.
Yeah, tell your gay friend to join, because
His
I
voice.
want to hear this guy's voice. Because you said you like his voice.
Yeah, what you would call it. His voice cracks a lot when he screams. It kind of shows like the boyish scream out. Okay.
Okay,
Like,
so
don't judge a scream, okay? Because he doesn't
okay,
like
Adam.
it, like saying, okay.
Okay, Adam.
Actually, no. I don't think you guys will get along. Like,
Why?
he's like has a totally different personality,
Okay, so
and I don't think he wants to be in the video.
well,
Sorry.
we don't tell him that we don't tell him that I'm recording. It's just a secret. Like, I don't tell people that I'm recording, and I record them.
I don't know how to put this piece back on, so I'm just gonna put it there.
Just leave it. Let's go over here. Let's go over there.
Okay.
Also, guys, I did change my color. It's, I don't know what color this is. It's red. Oh, wow, this really changed. Alright, yeah, let's check it out.
I'm sorry.
I got that on video, too. No, I can't. I'm not cutting anything out. I'm leaving that in the video. I'm leaving that in the video.
You gotta cut that out. By the way, this isn't I didn't made this. My other friend made it, but
You did not
we're
make
not
this.
friends
There's
anymore.
no way.
Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you guys like the same boy or something? Same person? Is that what you guys did?
No, we're not friends anymore. We're not friends anymore.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Did you guys like the same person or something?
No. We just stopped talking. And I unfriended him.
What is up with you and boys? You were really...
Oh,
You can't
Oh,
find
no.
any girlfriends, can you?
no, I did. It's my friend. But they're little kids. Like the girls.
It's even worse!
But
You're making this more worse for you.
a girl, when I find a girl and I try to talk to her, she just like looks at me and looks away, and she goes back to talking to other people.
That's diabolical.
Yeah, it's like it's like.
Mother freaker.
So I only can find yeah.
So is that why you only like boys? You know if a boy friends you, that means they like you? What is this? This is a brawl. Oh no, it's a
I thought
boat.
they were my best friend. I don't like someone to like me.
Ooh, they're not gonna like that.
Oh.
They're not gonna like that. Trust me, I have a
Do I
lot of
just lie? Do I just
lie.
lie?
What do you mean
Yeah. Oh
lie?
yeah, this is my home. This is my home. It's a little unorganized. Me and my friend had a
Hello.
fight here, so yeah.
What do you mean
Fought
by
here.
lie though? What do you mean by lie?
What?
You said
What?
lie.
You're so glitchy.
I said you said lie. What do you mean by lie?
No, like, oh, never mind. Let's just, never mind. Continue on.
All right, guys.
Let's go.
Give me up to 10 subscribers, and I'm gonna make a video of her explaining what she means by lie.
You know what? You're not gonna get 10 subscribers. Never.
Have
My
you ever got
friend made this.
121 views before?
My,
Oh, I'm sorry,
my,
you're not that
my
famous.
ex. Shut up. My ex best friend made that. Yeah.
What?
My ex best friend made this, and I'm going back.
Okay, cool.
Hey,
So
give me that.
it's...
Give me that. I need that. I need that. Get up here. I need that.
Oh,
I
I'm
need
sorry.
that. Get up here.
You need it? Come on, come on. You're almost up. Come on, come on. Yeah, come on.
Oh, free. Oh.
Yeah, now you know how we feel, us men.
What the? Whoa. Okay.
Alright, but anyways, follow me. We're gonna join a different server.
Wait,
Make
give me
sure...
that. I need it.
I will tell you the server that you can get it, and I'll give it to you.
No. Oh,
Stop trying to attack. Got that on recording too.
Stop record. I don't want to make a video no more. You embarrassed me. Like, can you cut that out?
Which part?
Wait, I want to see if he's online.
Who?
Oh, my.
Oh my god. Alright, so delete all of this and...
He says that he's gay, but sometimes his voice goes normal.
Okay, do VVFF. Move your fat
Two
face.
V's, two V's, and one.
No, 2 F's. 2 V's and 2 F's. Alright, but anyways, guys, I think what I'm gonna do is try to... I forget, I'm still in the call with you. I'm not gonna finish that. I was thinking about muting myself. Okay, come here. I'm going back now. Oh, there, you have it now.
Oh my god! Wait, Terry, I put my two guitars together and it buzzed.
What you mean by buzzed?
Whoa! I mean buzzed. Not buzz.
That still makes it worse. Do you know how to sprint?
Wait. What? No, I don't know how to. I'm sitting on the
Are you
chair.
sitting down? You're sitting
I'm
down.
sitting down. Fine, then I'll sit up. Sit up. I'll sit
How
up.
about stand? Ever thought about that? Stand.
I mean, damn. Ooh, this feels nice.
I'm keeping that in the video.
Here, right?
I'm keeping that in the video. Welcome to my paradise.
The paradise sucks. Like, what the hell is this? Look, what the hell is this? What is this? This is actually kind of cool. This is kind of cool, but like, what is this?
It's a mountain.
Can you add like an opening to it? Oh my god!
Don't take that out. Don't.
I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
Don't touch
I put it back
anything.
on. I'm sorry. I put it back on.
Actually, I'm gonna give you.
Hey.
I'm gonna give you your section. Okay. So come here. Come here. Your section is right here. This is your section.
That's sad.
You can build. You can build in this section. I'm gonna be a little bit busy. I need to work on my mountain. That's.
Okay.
I'm working on it. I guess.
I'm gonna build what you build, but cooler.
It's impossible, cause I'm the coolest person alive. Sorry. I don't know what that laugh was.
Lies. Ain't the coolest.
Sorry.
Come on.
Can't even do it right.
I've been doing it right.
Of course you can't do it right because he's a girl. All us
It's not
men
about
know.
being a girl. You're gonna get a lot of hate comments, I think.
I've said so much stuff on my videos you would not understand, and I'm surprised that I haven't gotten hate yet. I'm not even joking.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at my paradise. My paradise is better than your freaking slobby stuff.
Your paradise sucks.
There you go. Let's add a climbing area, cause you actually no. Let's add a slide.
What are you making?
You're freaking making paradise, you pretty bum. Let's add a slide. Let's add
I'm
a
freaking making
slide.
paradise, you freaking bad. Me. Sorry. I'm sorry, you hate your feelings. I'm so sorry. Suck it up, buttercup.
I want my mommy.
No, that's funny. Oh god. How old do you think I am?
15, cause you said you're 15.
How old did you think I was whenever I didn't?
Um,
You thought I was 34? What made you think I was 34?
Final guess. 34. Final guess.
Why do you think I was 34?
I don't know, cause your voice sounded like an adult, but like not like that kind of adult. Like you
What
sound
kind of
like
adult
you're
were you
like,
thinking
like
about?
no. I thought I thought what you call it. You're like I thought you're an adult that had kids and a wife. And I was like, why the hell is
So an adult.
I thought I was like, why the hell is a married man like
On a
you know,
VRS, hey bro, can a man not play games in peace?
well, yeah, like unmarried man, like
What's
married
up with
men
being
don't.
married? I feel like you have a problem with me being married. What? Married? With me being
No,
married.
I mean like
Mm.
I don't know, like you might cheat on your wife.
If I have that toxic wife, you know what I'm
Okay.
doing? She better be looking good. Sorry.
Like, why are you building your paradise without right beside my paradise? You're gonna make my paradise look bad. Cause I know this is already bad.
I mean, what is this supposed to look like exactly?
It's supposed to be a tree. I'm gonna build trees with
Wow,
ropes,
that's
and
a very
then
cool
I'm
tree.
gonna add this here, and I'm gonna add a big slide down. Like that's a good paradise I'm thinking of.
What are you, like 12?
I am 12.
Oh, I'm gonna have to
That's
bleep
the
that.
follower.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, I don't know how to bleep stuff, so I'm actually just gonna leave that in.
You're a YouTuber and you don't know how to delete stuff.
I'm gonna leave it in.
Oh look! This is look, it's so good. Look, it's like a slide and
It's like a
beside
slide.
mountains. It's like it's a slide right beside mount. It's a slide right beside mountains.
I don't
That's
think you know
so
what a
good.
mountain is. Do you know what a mountain is? Because that's not a mountain. Those are just rocks. That's a mountain.
No, look here. No, look. I'll turn small.
Look, you can see this. Oh, right. Oh, yes!
Just looks like rocks.
Can we do something else?
Why? What's wrong with?
No, I don't want to do this.
Hold on, I'm
no
gonna try out this slide real quick. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm trying out
Look
your
at the
slide.
mountains while you're doing that.
Those are so beautiful mountains. Like, oh my gosh, those are so gorgeous. All right, I got this ready.
Yeah.
Wee.
Yes, that's so good.
Yeet. Nice. Alrighty, let's go. Let's continue with this again. Let's just continue back with.
Wait. I need to grab my tree. I don't want. Why are you looking at me?
Ew, she kissed me.
Judging. What say?
I think you heard exactly what I said, girl.
No, no. Can you
Oh
say
my
it
god, you
again?
sound exactly like my ex-friend. I swear.
Oh my god, shit. Oh, I sound like your ex-friend? That's just great.
Yeah. Let's just say my things with my ex-friend. Let's just say, I was dating her best friend, and, I liked her more.
Like your like the like the girl that you were dating, and you liked her more than the girl that like dating.
The girl that I was
You know what I
dating,
mean?
I liked her, but I liked her best friend more.
That's just bad.
I can't help
Why
it.
would you do? Did you told her?
Maybe.
Oh, those two girls are. Did she try to say yes while her other friend like got mad?
My ex-girlfriend didn't care. She was just like really nice, and I'm like, wow, I really don't think I'm a good person for this. I really don't think I'm a good
Oh,
boyfriend. But hey, I was trying to be nice.
oh.
At least I told her the truth instead
You,
of lying.
wait! I gotta show you something. And be still honest. Does this look like a mountain? Look, I put it inside there. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm. It looks really good.
Mountain? I got more. So I can say it look cool. What's so funny?
Nothing. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing's funny. I don't know what you're talking about.
Is there like camera detailed so like if it's too detailed I could tell if it's not a mountain, but it's still pretty good. I'd say it's pretty nice actually. You could have just did this without using all that. Oh my god, I should add more. The hell's that?
That's a bigger mountain.
Oh. I don't like this piece. But I'll keep it anyway.
It keeps the tip. Pause. That's what I meant.
Oh, okay.
What are you building? What is this?
I don't know. It's my mountains, you freaking. Actually, yeah, it's my mountains.
Mountains. What are you, God? You just have you just have a selection of mountains. Oh man. You
I
didn't.
kind of don't want to build a paradise no more because you keep laughing every time I pick something out.
Okay, I'm not gonna laugh at you. Whatever you pick out next.
Okay. There are tinier mountains right beside this, and like these mountains here that there weren't mountains. Actually, no. Let's keep the slide and the mountains together because when you slide down, you can see a whole like landscape of little mountains. But like when you turn small, they look big. Oh, thanks. You could have told me that it was there. But yeah. I'm gonna cover
Like I
the
said,
whole
guys,
thing.
she is single and funny. Like I said. I do have to warn you, she might be a little dumb though.
No,
Nice.
no. Oh, never mind. Does this look good?
Hmm?
Where did you find these little thingies?
Over there.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh. Forgot to grab my rope.
You forgot your rope?
Yeah, I forgot my rope. Okay, now I'm good. Oh, no, you... Oh, it's over here. Okay. Yeah, no, it's fine over here. Oh, there's more! Hey, I got two. Where the hell did my rope go?
I don't know. Where did your rope go?
Why the hell did you take my rope?
I didn't take it anywhere. Why are you looking up?
Because I was looking at my surroundings.
I don't know
I'm
where it
very
is.
alert.
Shh. Did you not see that? Find a rope. It was right there on the ground.
Oh, I didn't see that. Thanks.
You were completely Brian. Brian! Sorry.
Oh my god. The stutter.
Brian, we must cook.
Oh, thank you, my guy. Oh, what the hell is that? What the hell is that?
I'm gonna check this out. Hold on. I'm gonna check it out. Dun, 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 dun.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
I'm down
Wanna
here.
test it out? Do you like my paradise?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, wait. Here, no, don't go on there. Don't go on that one. Here, I'll help you. There you go.
And what is what is this?
I'm gonna go grab mine, okay?
I don't think you see what you did you? You don't know what you did. Come back.
What the?
Oh. Your thing fell. It wasn't
What?
hooked
You
in.
broke-
No, it wasn't hooked in.
Oh, okay. Then broke it.
I didn't break it. You just didn't hook it in.
Oh. Why are you climbing the mountains? They're supposed to be tall, like big. Why you're supposed to act like they're not that big, okay? I mean like they're big.
What you mean by you're not supposed to look that big? You calling me fat? You calling me fat? Really?
I wasn't calling you fat.
You know I could destroy things right now.
Ah, frick. Ah, help me. Help me. Oh, never mind. I got that.
Hey, do you want your rope back?
Oh, yeah, thank you. I was looking for that. Can we do
You wanna play
something
something
else?
else?
Because you keep laughing
Yeah.
at my paradise. Like, it's like you're not supporting me in my paradise.
I'm not laughing. How am I laughing?
I don't know. Like you keep laughing every time I pick something out.
All right, then I said
Oh,
that.
frick, it's not connected. You can have
What?
that rope. Ooh, a bridge walking to my paradise. Bridge walking to my paradise. This is yes.
Hi, Bridge.
Can I have my bridge? Hey.
I still have the bridge. You know that, right?
No, it's okay. You can keep it. Actually, I need that back. Take me. Actually, no. Let's add it over here so when you walk in, you can see the mountains.
I'll help you. It's gonna be like this.
You don't decide my paradise, ma'am. You could go back to your paradise.
I'm still working on mine.
Yeah, it looks like nothing. Like, what the hell is this? Oh, never mind. I can't figure. Wait, I'm gonna make my slide longer. So like when you slide down, big the mountain. I kind of actually don't want to build a paradise.
Then why are you building one?
But I don't know, cause you're building one, and I don't.
I'm not building a paradise. I'm just building.
Oh, so you just only told me to build a paradise?
I didn't tell you to build
Oh, no,
anything. This is your decision.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I remembered. Is this supposed to be water?
No, it's ice. No, I need something
No,
better.
like you're using it as water. This is supposed to be water. I thought-
Hey, you want sand stuff? I got sand stuff. You want some sand?
Sand stuff?
We got sand 1 and sand 2.
Can we go to sand? Back to. Actually, no, I don't want sand.
It'll make your pyramids look better.
Oh, yeah, I want sand then. Give me. Oh, yeah. Give me. Is there any cactuses? Oh, yeah, this looks so good. Don't whistle at night, by the way.
I'm not whistling. I was breathing. I'm breathing.
Oh. Okay, cool.
I don't need that. I need something better.
I'm gonna go to virtual stump, and you do your video, okay?
You're still in the video. I haven't stopped recording.
Oh. So I have to stay?
We can. Well, I'm done now. I just gotta save this right quick. So hold on. Let me just save this.
Do I need to leave my paradise?
No. Since I saved it, it's gonna save it in my end. So like, if you want to talk, it just like if you want to play in Gorilla Tag, we can.
Mute me real quick.
Let's go.
Oh, okay, never mind. Virtual step, let's go. Oh, great.
Hey, you suck.
I didn't suck, you just.
I'm not gonna rephrase what you just said. I'm not gonna do that. What? got a text from who? Your boyfriend? Your gay friend? Is he joining? He's gay. I don't even think we can make gay jokes. I feel like he's gonna take offense to that, you know? Weird. Where are you? Did you take the elevator? I'm coming. You left. Yeah, sure. We can do some virtual reality stuff. Virtual reality. You gotta love it. Sorry. I'm free. Sorry. Indeed now. Ooh. I'm gonna be honest. There's like 4 of my friends that were already on. I just saw you because you're the first person that I locked eyes on. So I'm like, let's talk to her. You day now. Are you joining? Do you even know what code you're supposed to be in? Okay, the code is VVFF. My arms. Jump rope? Sure. No, I can do it. I can actually do a 2 in a row. Did I ask about your life? No. Did I ask about you? No. Did I ever... Sorry, I get very mean.
I actually, somebody's actually.
Who? I don't feel like you're lying on this. You're smiling. I can feel your smile. So you're lying. Yeah, you're lying. Just add me to the call then. Add me to the call. Add me to the call. No, add me to the call. Add me to the call. Add me to the call. Go ahead. Cause I want to see I want to hear what this man's voice sounds like. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I just want to hear what he sounds like. I will end the recording, okay? I will end recording right now, okay? Hold on, I gotta freaking, I do my outro real quick. Did you just enter? You did. Alright, hold on, let me. Do you want to leave or do you not want to leave? Like, I'm confused. Yeah.
I just can't really, like, I have to do right now.
Like what? Chores or something?
No, it's actually 5:22 a.m. And I'm gonna go play with my other friend. Friends, not just you, okay? I have friends. Friends. Friends.
No. I'm joking. Sure. But I'm joining because I'm bored.
You know, let's just stay here. Let's just stay here then. I'll just text them real quick.
Hold on. I need to do something real quick. Hey, can you still hear me? Okay.
Oh my god, on my Spotify thingy, there's just random songs popping up now, and there's one song by Drake called One Dance, and yeah. It's funnier in my mind.
So I think
Sorry.
what she's doing, guys, is...
I like that.
Hey, if you can hear me, turn around. Alright, she can't hear me. But anyways, I think what she's trying to do is trying to stall. I don't think she wants to actually play with me. But yeah. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I had to do something. Alright, you wanna just... Damn. God. Jeez.
I'm sorry.
Let's play some tag.
I'm pretty. I think I have low stomach acid.
What?
I'm gonna, yeah, low stomach. Huh. I'm gonna search up on YouTube your account real quick. I'm gonna watch a few seconds of the video, okay?
Which one?
A random one, any one like I lock eyes on it.
Okay.
Pretty, like any one that looks entertaining.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll probably be your favorite. Like your.
Aw, you think you think you're gonna be my favorite? You're not. So get the frick out of here, sorry.
That's,
You're my fourth favorite.
oh, well, that's nice to know.
Let me in! Let me in! Let me in!
Oh, Bob.
Yeah, T-O-E, Bob. Buh.
Bob Ross. Bob Ross.
It was White Batman last time, but we don't talk about that.
Was it like the cat?
No, Bob Ross was a
Cat?
famous painter. He was really nice.
Yeah, he's pretty nice.
Hey, check this out, Look.
Yeah. Oh, that's giving me the wrong idea.
That's supposed to be it.
Oh. Doing that at a 12-year-old?
You were saying
I
so
think-
much other things whenever I was off cam.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Where's the, I'm gonna look at your, where's the, like, never mind, I'm gonna do popular.
Popular. Sorry. Isn't there a song that does that?
Popular.
You got whoa, wow. Is your profile the cat picture?
It's not a cat.
Okay,
It's a
then
duck.
I got the wrong freaking one.
It's a wolf. Thank you very much.
Oh, oh no, oh I see that. Oh, okay.
Which
That's the cross-eyed thingy. Oh, I played minigame turns. Oh, okay.
that was the one that I
Okay.
just uploaded like an hour ago.
Yeah, I just see you.
Oh god. Let's see how this goes.
I'm gonna watch this like when I'm done calling you and like when I lay on my bed. I don't want to get like I don't want to get cringed out.
You're gonna be getting cringed out? I'm the one that's making the video. How do you think I feel?
Okay, I'm on. No.
What are you? How are you being cringed out right now? I just.
No.
Are you sure you're
Alpha
getting
wolf?
cringy or are you getting blushy? Which one? Come back.
The cringy one. You got Bob's girlfriend? Go get Bob.
What? Come here.
Oh, there's a sad song playing in my playlist. And I'm playing this video.
It just makes it sound more sad.
Yeah, this is just sad.
Sorry.
What the hell? Yeah. Okay, I'm watching. Actually, no. It's
Alright,
paused.
just
Damn it.
watch it. Jeez, just watch one of my
Okay,
videos.
okay,
I don't care.
I'm watching it. Shut up. Psychopath gorilla.
Oh god, you're watching that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I watch it or you want me to watch it later when you're not looking? Like
I don't care if you
laptop.
watch my videos. I really don't. One person actually recognized me.
Oh.
They recognized me in Gorilla Tag and say, "Hey, I'm subscribed to you." I'm like, "Wow, man, thanks."
Oh, you thought I was?
No, not you. I don't give a crap about you. I'm sorry. Why does it sound like you? Why does it sound like you? I think Chungus actually might be right.
What the chunk?
You have a crush on me? I think.
And I don't like people. I don't eat it. Okay.
I should.
I'm watching the freaking video. I'm gonna move it.
I'm gonna go check out something real quick. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna fast forward a little.
You're gonna fast forward. That hurts my feelings. Okay, I'm joking.
Oh, great. Okay, fine.
I actually don't.
I won't fast
I don't
forward.
care.
I'll
I don't
finish
care
at
if you.
23 minutes and 8 seconds.
You should see the longest one. You should watch that one.
Oh, okay. You don't want me to watch this for like I'll fast forward 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Oh, there's me. Oh.
I forgot about it. Forgot about this video.
Oh, frick. Ah, I keep pausing and pausing. Back to where?
You know you can play Gorilla Tag and you can listen to videos.
Yeah, I could do that, but I just like sitting down, concentrating on one.
Okay.
Oh.
What? What? Oh.
Just looking at myself is so fine. I think I'm crushing on myself. Why did I say that out loud?
I'm still recording, by the way. Alright, you wanna play some tag? You get 10 seconds. 10.
Oh frick, no, wait. The video's still playing. The video's still playing.
Okay.
One. Okay, I'll pause the video. Save that for later.
Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7,
What
6,
are we doing?
5.
What are
We're
we
playing
doing?
tag.
What are we doing?
10, 9, 8, 7,
No!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where did you go? Oh, pink. Oh, pink.
Ah! Oh, frick! Oh!
You okay?
No! Am I okay? Nah. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm definitely okay.
Alright, you count to 5
I
seconds
gotta
for
put
me.
weight on my. I gotta put weight on my leg. I didn't actually hit the wall. I actually smacked my leg.
Okay, you count to 5 seconds for me, and I count to 10 for you.
Okay. Wait, why you get 5 seconds?
Do you want me to get no seconds? Okay, no, it's fine. You can go for me.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is you? Oh yeah, you went in the.
Look
Oh,
up.
sorry.
That's too high up. You blind? Do you wanna see me? I'm on top of the kabara, the thing.
How the hell did you go up there at the 5 seconds? I mean 10 seconds. Sorry.
I think I figured out what my title is gonna be for this video. Yep, that's a good title. Yep, I already have
Kid burping. What?
Yep, that's exactly what it's gonna be. My best friend burps a lot. I'm making that title. It's gonna be a funny title. Yeah.
I regret being on here. I actually regret being on.
My earbuds in.
But
Okay. Hold on, I gotta do something. Alright, you get 10 seconds. 10, 9.
can I go 2 different ways? Can you give me 20 seconds actually? I feel luckier with 10. I mean 20 seconds.
Hold on, hold on, let's hang up right quick.
Okay.
Okay, there. Alright, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Alright, can I? Okay, dang.
Oh damn.
Hello?
Oops.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to. So, I can hear you on my VR, but I have my headphones plugged in into my VR headset.
Mhm.
Where are you?
No! I just realized.
Am I blind?
Oh no. Maybe. Oh. I can't breathe properly now.
Alright, can you unmute me on the Gorilla Tag
Why would I do that?
so I can hang up and we can talk in Gorilla Tag?
Yeah, that's a good reason. I kind of don't like playing only 2 people playing tag. That's kind of hard. Okay, I need you. You can call now.
Okay. Alright, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Now I can too. Where are you? I know where exactly you are.
No. Actually, you don't
The rule was we stay in force. You know that, right? Oh, pink.
touch me, you're gay. Exactly, don't touch me. Never mind. I was gonna call my friend so we could play, but I think you and my friend will get along. Not the gay one, the girl one.
Okay. Call him.
No,
Yeah.
she's sleeping. I called her when Hungus and you were done playing and then you left. That's when I called her. I gotta go to bed because it was 2 a.m. And she's sleeping right now. Oh!
I have skills like a ninja,
No.
don't I?
You have skills?
We're supposed to stay. Yeah.
And wow.
Alright, the rules are stay enforced.
Oh! I said if I could go there, and then I heard like a half. So I just went. Or you didn't respond. I think.
Well, we can stay in we have to stay enforced.
Oh.
You coming?
But yet no. Usually people carry me back, but
Hey, turn around. Turn around.
oh okay.
You're it. You have to tag me.
Creepy. You look creepy. You look creepy. That's all I have to say.
I can be more terrifying if you want me to.
Okay, be more terrifying, because I think you won't be more terrifying. Nah. Burping friend. Burps. Oh, y'all know something? Yeah, I know.
What's up? What's up?
Okay. When you burp, like stomach acid usually like. This is your stomach, and there's acid in it. When you burp, stomach acid goes out to your throat like this. And over time, that'll burn. And when you grow older, you feel like the pain starting to hit.
Wow, that's a very good fun fact. Are you gonna tag me now?
I thought you were gonna be scared, then I'll take you. Looks like you're blending in. Turn around, then you'll blend in a little bit. Yeah, I would see you. I would not see you. But I see you. Do we have to play tag?
Well, I mean, I gotta end this video because I gotta do something.
This video's kind of boring. The start was fun, but the take is kind of boring, you know.
Yeah.
We need a big chunk this video.
Alright, but anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, follow. What is this, TikTok?
Don't.
Also, she is single. She's 12, married, happily married to not me. She's happily married to her kids and her dog that died. But anyways, bye everyone.
What?